Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. You must be enjoying the lesson. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, lesson number 9, Time for Everything. It's a poem, Time for Everything. We will see the poem. There's a time to run and a time to walk. There's a time for silence and time for talk. There's a time for work and a time for play. There's a time for sleep at the close of the day. Now we will see the poem in details. There is time for everything means whatever work we should do on time to get it success. If we will not work on time, we will not get success. So life teaches to make good use of time, while time teaches the value of life. So from this we can understand that whatever work, if we will do on time, we will achieve the goal. And if we will not make use of time, time will not wait for us. So we should make proper use of time. Now we will see there's a time to run and time to walk. When we are babies, we crawl. But when we grow up, we start running. So you can see how when we are hurry, we all run. Now you can see that when we are proper in a proper manner, such as when we are with our friends, we walk. So there's a particular time to run and walk. Now we will see there's a time for silence and time for talk. When your teacher is explaining, you should keep silence in the class and not to talk, but silently listen to her what she is explaining. And when your turn comes, then only you should talk. In between, you should not talk or not ask anything, but pay proper attention to what teacher is telling. So, you should only speak up when you are asked to and listen silently. You should raise your hand and ask the question, whatever queries you have to your teacher. And you should only talk when you want to ask any question to the teacher. So you should pay proper attention in the class. There's a time for work and time to play. So you should work on time and you should play on the proper time. You should play and learn while doing your work, instead that not only to play. When there is a play time, at that time only you should play, and when there is a work time, that time you should do your work. Now there's a time for sleep at the close of the day. So you should not sleep during the day, but you should have proper and sound sleep at night. At the close of the day means at night. So now we can understand that time is everything means you should do everything on time.